Dear audience, I was so amazed and surprised to know that how microorganisms in the gut of a premature child can actually affect and damage their brain, which can lead to um, autism in the long run. My name is Sagbir Ahmed Khan, and I'm an electrical engineering student here at Wayne State. And I have done quite research on my topic. I have researched 4 different articles and 2 different books on my specific topic. And the purpose of my presentation is to let you know that how brain development is affected and influenced in premature babies due to the imbalance of microorganism in the gut. So my presentation is divided into 6 slides, which I'll try my best to cover everything. Okay, first of all, I'd like to present three different point of my slide. The first one is how premature babies are vulnerable to this brain damage, and then we'll know how what is gut immune brain axis and how this gut immune brain axis in premature babies can play a role damaging their brain, and then we'll know is there any ways to prevent this brain damage. Okay, let's start first. So first I'd like to present how premature babies are vulnerable to the brain damage. So premature babies are quite highly vulnerable to this brain damage, and the primary reason is due to the link of an irregular bacteria which is developed in their gut, and there is a special type of bacteria which is known as Klebsiella, and the abundance of this particular bacteria within the gastrointestinal tract can lead an increased presence of certain immune cell, and this uh, certain immune cell can actually affect the neurological system of a premature babies. And then we'll know what is gut immune brain axis. So the gut immune brain axis is nothing but a central communication between brain and the nervous system, which is primarily linked to the function of the brain, and which can ultimately affect the immune system. And the microorganisms which are found in the gut can actually communicate and cooperate through this gut immune brain axis communication, and the gut is in touch with the brain through this gut immune brain axis by means of vagus nerve. And now we'll see how gut immune brain axis played an important role damaging the brain. So the thing is, the microorganisms such as bacteria, fungus, and viruses which are found in the gut are not found in balance in case of a premature babies. And the reason for this imbalance is there because their immune system and microorganism in the gut have not been able to develop fully, because they are born earlier before the incubation period. And then we'll know that is there any ways that we can prevent this brain damage. So yeah, uh, uh, primarily this irregular imbalance in the axis often shows up prior to the brain damage. So there will be certain symptoms which can shows up earlier, which can serve a crucial time window during which brain damage of young premature babies can actually be prevented. And now I'd like to show what research have been done on the topic. So different research and analyzed all over the world have examined and checked a total of 60 newborn babies who are brought into the world before the incubation period, and their weight very low, like on average they weight almost like 1 kg probably. And they have also examined the blood and their stool, and also they have conducted different MRIs on their brain, and they have found that um, the development of the bacterium Klebsiella, which is found abundance in their gut, and the related T cell level can actually increase the risk of brain damage. So that's it, which I tried my best to show cover up everything. I hope you enjoy. Bye. And I would like to remind 2 most important point, which is the overgrowth of this particular bacteria Klebsiella, and another reason is due to the imbalance of this microorganism played an important role in the topic.